Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys infinix phone guys smart panel setting guys. How can we on? Friends, you want to on guys your infinix phone smart panel settings. So how can you on and how can you use today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on guys smart panel and how to use it. So friends, open your phone setting and guys scroll it, and friends you can see guys your special function guys, tap here guys. You can see smart panel guys, tap here. Friends, you can see smart panel guys, smart panel. So we will on from here. After on guys you can see how to use it, it's showing. So friends, now guys I will show you how can you use it. So friends, guys you want to on something and guys you can see right side guys, tap here like that slide. Friends, you can see Chrome, you can open camera, notepad and setting, Play Store, the shortcut setting guys. As you can see screen recorder and scanner guys, nearby share guys, you can use from here guys. So like that guys we can on get the smart panel guys, and guys we can use in infinix phone device direct guys. We can on get the setting from here guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on smart panel and how to use.